Alright, so you may remember last week I showed my shipment from WASD keyboards, and I did mention that they made a mistake and sent the wrong keys. So I emailed them the support. Within a half hour I had a response with an apology, and they said they had sent out the right keys, and then within the hour the keys were shipped. So now I've got them, and so here's my replacement package. Hopefully these are the light gray blanks, which is what I ordered in the first place. I got light gray laser etched instead, and I wanted blanks just for a more clean, minimal look, and obviously their etch isn't going to match the Razer font anyway, so I don't really want that. So here they are. Here is the one pack. There we go. So just light gray blanks. And then the other pack, that's arrows. One of them's arrows, one of them is WASD. But they look pretty similar. They might be the same, to be honest. In fact, they probably are the same. Alright, so I got my keyboard here. This is my old Razer Black Widow Ultimate. Here's the old keys with the inscription. You probably can't even... oh, you can. With the light, I might wash it out. These keys, when they're new, are much tighter than the Razer ones. I mean, the Razer ones don't require any force to pull them off. They just slide right off easily. These new keys they fit onto the switch very tightly, so they are that one a little bit less tight. So it takes more effort to get the new ones off. You gotta kind of hold the board down, make sure it doesn't lift up. So the key puller is very nice quality, works very well. I vacuumed the keyboard again with the brush piece set, the brush attachment on the vacuum, which is just the looks like that. And that actually cleans in between the keys really well and sort of gets out all the dust in between the keys. And it even got a lot of the dust out of the bed of the keyboard in between the switches, under the switches rather. And that was pretty impressive. It did a very nice job. Alright, I looked up the right positions for each key, and I have put them both in. So there's what the WASD looks like, which I really like. I think that's very nice. And there's the arrows. They call this light gray, but it's so close to white. I would probably just call it white. And that's what I wanted. I saw the preview of it on the site. I like the contrast, blackboard with white keys in a few places. And I always like the WASD and arrow key contrast. So there it is. There's my old Razer keyboard. And I have to say I do like it better with these keys. So my old Razer keyboard, and I'm liking it a little bit better with these new keys. Alright, there it is. WASD keyboard. It's very nice. I would highly recommend them for any sort of custom caps that you want. or custom keyboards even, go ahead and look at that. WASDkeyboards.com or whatever. Alright, bye.